Hello guys, welcome back to my channel with your favorite photographer, Divan Sosoko. So in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to even the skin tone and make everything match. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe for more tutorial videos. But for now, let's just get started. So what I'm going to use to even the skin tone is the solid color. So I'll just come right here and I'll now click on the solid color. So this is how it's going to show after clicking on it, but if yours shows any other color, you know that it's from the foreground color. That's why it's showing like that, so you shouldn't mind. I'll just hit OK. So after hitting OK, I'll hide the visibility of this layer. After hiding the visibility, I'll double click on it so it will show me the color picker. So I'll just come to this image and pick on the mid-tone of this image right here. So I'll just come here and I'll click on that and I'll hit OK. So after hitting OK, I'll open the visibility of this right here. So after opening the visibility, I'll change the blending mode to soft light. So once I'm done changing it to soft light, I'll click on the layer mask, then I will invert the layer mask. So after inverting it, I'll select the layer mask and I'll pick on my brush. I'll right click and set the hardness to 60. So after setting that, make sure your foreground color is on white. So I'll just start brushing to add the effect on it. Let me change it so I can see the area I'm brushing on. So when doing this process, you need to be very careful. You make sure it's only added to the skin alone. Shouldn't add it to any part apart from the skin. So that's why I'm taking time to do it. So I'll just brush it. And this is where the perfection lies on, because while you're brushing, if it enters any other place, it will affect and make the color to stain on some other place which you don't want to, and it will make it look kind of weird. So that's why I'm taking time to do this process. So just brush this out and do the same. So when watching, just stick around. This is what I'm going to do at the end of this video, just so you will learn perfectly on how to even the skin tone and make all the color blend like the skin color. So I'll do the same here. So after selecting the skin, and I'll change it, you can see the image is looking saturated, but you shouldn't worry. So I'll come to the opacity, I'll reduce it to 55. Is okay. So you can see the before and after. If you think it's still too much, you can still reduce it. I think 45 is better. So this is the before and this is the after. So this is how I got to even the skin tone. And this neck area, if you think it's kind of dark, you can still select the part which is dark. So after selecting the part which is dark, you feather it to 66 and you add curves to it a bit. So once I'm done, I'll just group this so you can see the before and after. So this is how I got to even my skin tone. So thank you guys for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. Please subscribe to my channel for more tutorial videos coming. Thank you guys. See you in the next video. Bye for now.